The Summer Institute is a partnership with Pepin Academies and University of South Florida's Educational Department, and it's a program that is provided for our students to bridge that gap between school year ending and the next school year starting.
The Pepin Institute is a 4-week program for our Special Ed Interns, and they work collaboratively as a partnership in each of the classrooms. So we put 2 teachers in one classroom with a handful of students depending on the summer. Our interns are immersed in creating curriculum, planning and collaborating with a partner to meet the needs of the different students in their class.
Arts for All Florida has a database of about 300 teaching artists who are not only excellent artists in their field, but are very qualified to teach students that have disabilities. So at Pepin, we have a teaching artist in visual art, music, and dance who are working there, providing the activities for the students at Pepin, and then also the mentoring for the teachers in training.
Here at the Pepin Summer Institute, the physical education undergraduate students have an opportunity to work with students with disabilities in the summer and prepare for other experiences in the fall.
Personally, I'm getting a lot from working with students at Pepin because I personally have never been surrounded by anybody with disabilities in schools. Working with students with disabilities has taught me a lot.
I think the impact on the students is great. It gives them an opportunity to get an enrichment over the summer that they wouldn't normally get, to stay connected to education and learning and keep their minds active and their brains active while their bodies are getting a chance to be active too. You know, kids are outside today and they're playing and having fun, and you know, they're learning arts, they're doing dance, music kind of related fields, but they're also still learning. And I think that that's a crucial part of any summer, is to make sure kids stay engaged.
I think the Pepin Institute benefits both the student teachers and the students of Pepin, because for the student teachers, it's really the first time that we are on our own, like so hands-on, planning curriculum, interacting with students for the entire day. It's such a good opportunity to like get our feet wet in teaching, where it's our time to try new things, get feedback, and just really practice everything that we've been learning in our courses.